you want to make money doing something you already do probably pretty often, raise your hand. If you aren't raising your hand, you're literally lying. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, another episode. I'm Adrienne Finch, and yes, I'm wearing the same outfit as the last Tech Tip Tuesday. Oh, you didn't know that? Oh, you don't watch Tech Tip Tuesday? Get out. Just kidding, don't. Stay and watch the video, please. Cool. Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, an all-new show where I give you a tip about tech every single Tuesday. Today we're talking about an app called ebates. I'm obsessed with this app. I've talked about it multiple times in videos on Instagram. I love it because you literally get paid to do what you already do often, which is online shop. So every time you are going to online shop, you don't have to be famous and have an affiliate link. You don't have to, none of that. Anyone can make money just shopping. There's no catch. It's easy. I'm obsessed. I've been doing it for a while. Great. I'm gonna explain it to you so that you can make some money. And if you actually use my link, you will get $10 bonus cash, literally just cash in your wallet. So yeah, I'm using an affiliate link, but you know what? It's worth it. I feel like this video is very timely because we just had Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and as the holidays approach, and it's already Hanukkah right now, happy Hanukkah, or maybe it's over when this video goes up, I don't know. But as the holidays approach, you guys are probably gonna be spending a lot of money online on gifts, so why not earn some cash back while doing so? What ebates is a cash back site that partners with every big retailer you could probably think of. They have over like 2,000 partners. So what they do is they partner with them, and essentially when you go to just online shop, whether on your phone or on your computer, you first go to ebates.com, you click the store that you're gonna shop at, and it redirects you to that store, and then you just shop away and literally make money into your account on ebates, and then it pays you. It's that simple, and I'm gonna walk you through it right now. Okay, so time to jump in my little box. Ooh, this is funny. Okay, so when you first go to ebates, first of all, you're going to click my link in the bio, because if you don't click my link, you won't get the $10 bonus, I don't think. So click my link. Then you're gonna sign up. I recommend using an email. Don't use the Facebook or Google thing. It's just easier to use an email. And then once you get onto the site, it's going to look like this. So this is what the storefront looks like. Basically, when you go to online shop, you're just gonna go on ebates or on the ebates app. There's an app, and you're just gonna find or like type in the store you wanna shop at, or you can see right here on the homepage which stores are having really good cashback deals. So obviously the stores with like really high, like 10% cashback, New Balance, that means you literally get 10% cash back when you make a purchase. Let's say we want to buy something at Tom's. We would literally just click on Tom's. They're gonna show you all of the deals that are going on right now. So like, oh, $10 off $99 purchase. You kind of can see what the coupons are that are going on, and maybe that'll influence some of your purchasing decisions. But if not, you would just click shop now, either here or on one of the deals. It doesn't matter. And then basically what it does is just redirects you to that website. You would just shop as normal, and then once you purchase something on ebates, once you go to your account, you would see your cashback balance. So mine right now is $75, and $255 I think is like the last pay period or something that I made. So they show you all the money you're making and from what purchases, and it keeps track. So I really recommend using this. There's no reason not to. It's not complicated. Like, the most complicated thing you have to do is sign up, and even that's not complicated, and you're getting paid $10 to sign up. I've been using ebates for I think like the last year and a half now, and I've made like a good amount of money from it, and it's like free to use, obviously. And I literally like emailed ebates and was like, I want to make a video about you. So thank you, ebates, for sponsoring this video and for supporting me. I love it. I literally like, I mean, I think you can tell. So I recommend doing it. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below, but this is something that I just think, I mean, I've said it 1,000 times. There's no reason not to do it. Like, why not earn money? And like a decent amount too. And if you refer people and they do it too, you get $25. That's a lot of money. So if you just go market to your school, to your work, to your friends, you'll rack up the cash. I also want to emphasize that because it's the holidays, there are going to be even more cashback deals going on right now. So like, it'll be more than you will normally get. So I really recommend doing it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of ebates. Click the link in my description. It's the first link. And remember, once you make a purchase on ebates of $25 or more, you get a $10 bonus. So there's no reason not to do it. I would just do it for all your Christmas shopping. It's easy. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week on another Tech Tip Tuesday.